Hey guys, it's gonna be a short video today because I've been packing. Well, not packing, because if you look right there, I'm still going through tools that I need to put in that bag to put in the trailer to attach to the car. But I digress. Been busy just prepping for NCM next week. Like many things like greasing the bearings on the wheels here, changing LED lights in the domes, and what else was I doing? There's something that I'm going to put in the video now that I totally forgot. Oh, checking the engine. I was checking my spark plugs, and if you haven't seen, as I mentioned in the next clip, my spark plug well on cylinder 6, which is the right side, driver's side. It's not focusing. There we go. Had some oil leak into it, and with disease, there's no, I don't want to say gasket, but there's no seal. That's the word. There's no ARF seals that you can take off the valve cover. It comes attached to the valve cover. So what I had done was RTV the crap out of it, and you'll see that in a second. Right now, I'm just kind of doing a once over on my car, checking the spark plugs, or at least the spark wells, whatever you want to call them, after a whole year. But good thing is, I was looking into this cylinder right here, and this cylinder, if you've seen my older videos, had the infamous oil leak. So you could see there, I ghetto rigged it back in the day with RTV. But if we go into the cylinder here, if we can get a nice look. How do I focus this? There we go. It's pretty much dry in there. There was a little oil, not too much. But that's held for a year, and yeah, it's I guess a cheap way to fix this instead of getting $200 valve covers. So engine bay is pretty dirty. Got some oil here. I don't know where that's coming from, so I gotta check around. But yeah, a quick little video for you guys because content is hard to make when events are monthly. But yeah, this well has not had too much oil in it compared to last time. Last time there was like a significant puddle. So yeah, good news there. And I'm just gonna check the spark plugs and whatnot, just make sure everything's good on the engine for the next event.
A few moments later.
So bright. What up, guys? So another maintenance thing that I'm going to be doing, well, not really maintenance, but it's kind of preference. OEM LED is just really nice to have, especially if you're trying to read something at night. So just quickly, screwdriver, see if you can get in there without scratching up your trim too bad. Pull that out. Now we have the OEM bulb right here. This is what it looks like. It's also really hot because I had that on for a while. And here is the LED. I pop it in. And with LEDs, you want to test them out because, as you can see, this isn't turning on. So LEDs are actually just one way only. So we'll turn that off. Flip it around. Pop it back in and then test again. It's super bright. So really quick, put this back on. All good. Oh, that's not good.
20 minutes later.
All right, I'm back. Now they both work. That's just really nice to have. So another quick tip for this video. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. I gotta do some packing. I got one surprise coming in the next video. before I post the NCM stuff, because that's actually in a week from the time I'm filming this. But in the meantime, car is prepped, trailer is almost packed, but the whole setup is prepped. Just gotta finish this, charge my batteries, and we're good to go. So I will see you guys soon, and I hope you guys enjoy my little surprise.